Installed this bad boy in literally 10 minutes, no messy cords, just set it and forget it. So freeing, caught a fox wandering my yard at 2 a.m. The 2K night vision is insane. Day or night, I see everything crystal clear. Had a package drop off at the door while I was out, clear as day. Thanks to its killer image quality, no missed details ever again. Guys, get yours now and feel totally in control, effortlessly. Swipe up before they run out.
Ever wish you could see who's lurking outside at night? Scary, right? My ieGeek 2K wireless security camera changed everything, clear as day, even in the dark. Plus, its two-way talk lets me chat with delivery guys while chilling on my couch. So cool. Feel safe and get ultimate peace of mind now. Don't wait. Grab yours today before they're gone.
Got a package arriving soon? Dealing with endless worries about home safety? Installed my ieGeek 2K wireless security camera, caught every detail with its stunning 2K resolution and smart IR night vision, even spotted the tiniest movements with peer detection. Secure your peace of mind today. Feel safer tomorrow. Grab yours now.
Hey folks, want super easy home security? Check out my ieGeek 2K wireless security camera. It's lit! Installed mine in just 10 minutes, totally wire-free. No mess, no fuss. Got a sneaky pet or trespasser? The PIR sensors go off, triggering siren and spotlight. I was alerted the moment my dog walker arrived. Plus, the two-way talk feature lets me chat with delivery guys from my phone, even when I'm chilling elsewhere.
Don't wait. Grab yours now and secure your peace.
Click on the video link below to see the full video and get yours now.